Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Microcopy in Zendesk Guide UI templates, full guide step by step clearly. To restore Microcopy in Zendesk Guide UI templates, first, log in to your Zendesk account. Navigate to the Admin Center by clicking the gear icon in the sidebar. In the Admin Center, find the Guide section in the left sidebar. Click on Guide to access the guide settings. Next, select Customize Design from the options available. You will see the Theme tab on the top menu. Click on it to proceed. Locate the theme you wish to edit under the Current Theme section. Click the Edit Code button to open the code editor for that theme. Now, in the code editor, look for the Templates section on the left sidebar. Expand the Templates option to reveal the various template files. You should find a file named article.hbs or a similar template file for articles. Click on this file to open it. Inside the file, search for the Microcopy sections that need restoration. Microcopy is usually found within the curly braces, like your.translation.key. Once you identify the keys, refer to your localization file or the Zendesk documentation for the correct Microcopy text. Replace the outdated or incorrect keys with the appropriate ones. After making your changes, click the Save button in the upper right corner. Next, return to the Preview option to see how your changes look on the front end. Check if the Microcopy appears as intended across different sections of your Help Center. If everything looks good, close the Preview mode. Finally, remember to publish your changes to make them live for users. That's it. You have successfully restored Microcopy in your Zendesk Guide UI templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.